Namaskar. This is Seshu Chira. Welcome all of you to Hanska Academy. Today we will look at what are the challenges specifically to Indian democracy. In the Indian context, what are the major challenges that are faced in Indian democracy? Let us look at them. So these are the challenges which are pertain to Indian democracy. Here is a big list. India is the largest democratic country in the world with 445 plus MP seats, which makes India the largest democratic country in the world. In the past 6 to 7 decades, India has worked successfully and achieved a lot in various spheres. In the last 6 decades, India has worked successfully and achieved a lot in various spheres. Indian Constitution has granted us the fundamental rights to all its citizens. It is very, very helpful to meet the diversity in India. However, it has failed very miserably in many spheres. Here is the list of few of them. So India has been a largest democratic country. In the past 6 decades, it has been working to improve its condition, its people's conditions. In the Constitution, India has granted fundamental rights to everyone, which was helpful to meet the diverse needs of India. But there are few areas where we need improvement still, like social and economic inequalities. When it comes to socially and economically, we have lot of inequalities. Poverty and unemployment. We have poverty and we also have unemployment. Due to unemployment, we have increase in poverty levels. Illiteracy and ignorance. There are many illiterate people even now, and there are people who are ignorant, who believe superstitions blindly. Casteism. In India, caste system has been so deeply rooted. They even go ahead and kill their own children because they have disrespected the caste rules and regulations, which has to be given up. Communalism, having different communities trying to express control over the others. Population explosion, huge population. Regionalism, regional differences, north, south, east, west, Jammu region, Kashmir region, northeastern region. Linguism, language. There are many languages in India, which has also become a barrier for development. Separatism. We all are Indians, but we all are separated on the name of religion, caste, color, creed, in various aspects. Corruption. In India, you don't know how much corruption exists. Large area of India, any policy, any government issues will have some kind of element of corruption involved in that, which has to be eliminated. Terrorism. Terrorism in the recent years has posed a threat to the internal democracy of India. We don't know from where they are getting the sources, but India is facing a strict problem or severe problem from terrorism. So these are the few challenges which we need to work upon in the Indian context.